This is the Aula F75 Max mechanical keyboard that allows you to connect to multiple devices, options to change keyboard RGB, and the best part is the keyboard is rechargeable. It doesn't end there. It also gets a gasket mount and a knob. The Aula F75 Max keyboard is the upgraded version of the Aula F75 keyboard, which doesn't feature a TFT display. I spent more than 2 weeks testing and using this keyboard, and this is my first time trying out a mechanical keyboard. Mechanical keyboard are keyboard with special switches under each keys that gives you a clicky, bouncy, and smooth feel when you press them. This keyboard is currently going for $79 and you get 2 color options when placing an order via their website. The link to place an order will be in my description below. Let's talk about what you can find inside the box. You get a welcome guide, 30 seconds operation guide, 2 extra key switch, a USB-C cable, a keycap puller, and the mechanical keyboard itself. I made a 1-minute unboxing video. I will leave the link in the description below. The keyboard is compact, meaning it doesn't come with number pad like most keyboards do. This means they fit perfectly on any decks without taking up too much space. The keyboard is made of ABS plastic, a PC plate, and a gasket mount. I would appreciate it if you can give this video a like so YouTube can recommend this video to more people, and also subscribe if you wish to see more reviews from me. The keyboard feels a little heavy, which means you can't mistakenly kick them off the decks. The knob and the TFT display give a premium and modern aesthetic. The keycap has a cool staircase design, which means they are sculpted in a cherry profile where each row is angled at different heights. It's like the keys are stepping up to meet your fingers, making typing super comfy, especially for long sessions. You also get 2-stage adjustable feet at the back that lets you tilt the keyboard to either 6 degree or 8 degree. This means you can find the perfect angle for your hands, whether you are typing an essay or gaming all night. The Aula F75 Max keyboard is loaded with features that makes it stand out in a budget keyboard world. First up is the 1.3-inch TFT screen, which is a total game changer for a keyboard this cheap. It also supports useful stuff like battery life, connection mode, or if the cap lock is on. The screen is bright, clear, and add a fun modern vibe to your decks. Then there's the aluminum multifunctional knob, which feels super premium with smooth clicky thumbs. You can also use it to change colors on the keyboard, change the effects, increase or reduce the keyboard RGB brightness. The RGB light is awesome. You get a cool effect that move whenever you are typing. To use this feature, you need to select effect 5 on the effect option. The keyboard has a tri-mode support, which means you can connect using the wired mode via the USB-C cable, wireless with a 2.4 GHz dongle, or via the Bluetooth 5.0, which allows you to connect 3 devices like your PC, phone, and tablet. I have a separate video to the connection. I will leave a link to that video in the description below. You can also connect the keyboard to your Mac. The Windows key on the keyboard also functions as the command key on Mac, but it would have been nice to see Aula include the command icon along with the Win key. The keyboard also supports customization via the Aula F75 Max driver, which can also be downloaded. The link will be in my description below. This allows you to customize any key on the keyboard and also change the default GIF on the screen. The only thing I find cool with the software is the ability to customize key and change the GIF. Every other option can be done via the keyboard itself. When it comes to features of the keyboard, it can be compared to high-end mechanical keyboard. Typing on the F75 Max is super satisfying. The gasket-mounted design and the PC plate gives a soft bouncy feel like you are pressing into a cushion pad. The cherry profile curves to fit your finger, so every key press feels natural. This makes every key easy to reach without stretching or straining, so typing feels intuitive and effortless, whether you're a speedy typist or a beginner. Another big win is the hot swap socket, which lets you swap out the switches without soldering. Swapping the switches takes less than a minute. The F75 Max feels like a custom-built keyboard straight from the factory, delivering a premium typing experience that rivals keyboards twice its price. The keyboard performs like a champ. In wired mode, you get 0 latency, which is super suitable for gamers. The 2.4 GHz wireless and the Bluetooth 5.0 are also fast, but you get a 2 seconds delay, which might not be noticeable. The 4000 mAh battery is a beast, which lasts up to 30 hours with RGB turned on and 80 hours if RGB is turned off. It auto sleeps after a few minutes to save power and wakes up instantly when you start typing. Charging takes 2 hours via the USB-C with the screen showing the progress. It's a reliable pick for gaming, coding or switching between devices. The sound is amazing. The gasket mount and the damping layer gives a deep bulky pop that sounds like a $200 keyboard. This sound from the keyboard would keep you typing all day. Here's what the keyboard sounds like. What do you think about the sound from the keyboard? Let me know in the comment section. The Aula F75 Max keyboard is a budget-friendly beast for anyone looking to try out or switch to mechanical keyboards. It costs $79 on the Aula website. Check the description below to place an order. What do you think about the Aula F75 Max mechanical keyboard? Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe if you wish to see more reviews from me. Thanks for watching and bye for now.